So, where are we, Tarina?
We're at the Blue Springs at the White Road end.
We're at the Blue Springs at the White Road end, near Tīrau and Putāruru. That's right, eh? Do they look blue so far? They look clear, they don't look blue yet. So last time I came here it was late spring, and we just had some really heavy rains, and all the silt and sediment and stuff had been stirred up, so they weren't blue, they were brown. So hopefully this time, because we've had a few sunny days, it's the middle of winter but it's a nice sunny day, we'll get some nice blue, well it's not the middle of winter I guess, but we'll get some nice blue springs finally. They look a little bit blue there, they still look more clear than blue to me.
You got that is?
What?
I think that's an ake. And I think I got it right this time.
Oh, you're right, it is called the Waihou, is it how you say it, Waihou River?
Waihou.
Waihou. Oh, there's a sign there if anybody wants to read it, except it's hard to the liking. That's pampas grass. Oh, that's a noxious weed, or is it just a weed? Still doesn't look that blue to me, it looks clear, but I suppose because it's shallow, it's in the deeper parts that it looks blue, isn't it? It is very clear though, eh? You gonna jump in?
No, I'm looking for freshwater crayfish.
Are you looking for freshwater crayfish? What do they call them? What do they call them? Māori?
Coda.
Coda. It's like a corridor made of trees. What are they? Tuatara?
Yeah.
Tuatara carrot corridor. Stream down there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's still a bit of frost there from last night, Tarina.
No snow.
Of course there's no snow. You get snow this far north, but you get frost. Oh, look at these ice.
For ages. They haven't happened since like 19 something or other.
I see. How clear is that? It's still not blue, it's just clear. Is there a mineral in it that would make it blue sometimes?
Blue.
Hey? Oh, it's Shirley. Wave, Shirley! I guess they're a bit blue there. Still think the ones in Fiordland were bluer. What's that? What, the healthy looking ecosystem?
Yeah.
What would it look?
I don't know if it's native, but
what does it look like if it's healthy, and what does it look like if it's unhealthy?
if it's unhealthy, everything's dead.
And if it's
There's no living things in it.
Oh, okay. And if it's healthy?
There's plants growing in it, and even better if it's native.
And lots of little animals as well.
And certain, yeah, there's the different age. Some animals show if it's clean. Depending.
Why do other animals show if it's dirty?
Yeah.
Like what animals show if it's clean?
I don't know. I'm not.
An ecologist?
I'm not an ecologist.
Huh. What? Hey?
It's eating into the bank.
Yeah, slowly. That's the bluest bit I've seen so far.
Is it safe for them?
If I slip now, it'll be very painful.
Does look cool.
Yeah.
I should have told you to stand on that, but that would have been funny.
How was the walk, Tarina?
I don't have anything interesting to say.
Oh, okay.